Thanks for joining us at Leggari Products today. We're stoked to show you what our product can do using a simple dirty pour technique. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and click that bell button so you don't miss a thing. To purchase your kit, check out the description below.
Friends, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our awesome projects that are coming up. If you have any suggestions for future projects, go ahead and leave them down in the comment area below. We'd love to hear from you. See you guys next time.